What is up, guys? Today we have a review of the new updated version of iOS 18.1, which was just released several hours ago on the iPhone 12 Pro Max here. So let's see what they added here, what are the changes, and how in general it works. So what they indicate here is that this update introduces enhancement to camera control. Of course, no camera control in 12 Pro Max. The ability to capture special photos, record phone calls, and other features, bug fixing, security updates for your iPhone. Okay, let's see. Actually, the main advantage and the main thing that was introduced here is Apple Intelligence, but this will not work on iPhone 12 Pro Max. It will work only on iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, and also 16 line. And let's see what they indicate here. Call recording, let your record live phone call or FaceTime audio calls with an automatic announcement that the call is being recorded. Okay, this feature can be checked. Camera control camera control we skip. Special photo capture we skip. AirPods features, hearing test features provides scientifically validated hearing test. Hearing aid features, feature required iPod Pro 2. Okay, AirPods Pro 2. The update also includes Control Center has new options to add connectivity control. That's nice. I already checked it out. RCS business messaging let you connect with businesses over RCS, require network provider support. Okay, this is quite interesting feature. So you don't need to send SMS anymore. So you use RCS here. Fixed an issue in podcast where unplayed episodes are marked as played. Okay, just minor fix. Fixed issue where video recorded at 4K 60 FPS while the device is warm could experience shutter. Okay. Just fix an issue where digital car keys may not unlock to start wiggle. Okay, although small change. Fix an issue where iPhone 16, 16 Pro models may unexpected restart. Okay, basically it's more about bug fix for this phone, and only features that I see added here is control center, RSC mode, and phone call recording. Okay, let's check it out. RCS, I cannot check it out now because I didn't receive any messages from businesses until now. It's just updated, so I will check it out later. But control center call recording we can check now. Okay, let me make a phone call. Okay, making a phone call now. Okay, let's mute. Where are the recording? Here we have recording button. Use the phone app to record a call, then save the conversation to the Notes app while your phone will automatically play an audio notification before recording. Okay, let's check it out. I have my another phone here.
This call will be recorded.
Okay, you hear the sound. This call will be recorded, and let's try it out. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Recording is ongoing. So I'm speaking to my second phone right now, and okay, need to disable the speaker. Let's unmute it and check it out. 1 2 3. Okay, let's mute here. 1 2 3 1 2 3. I muted my second phone. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, thanks. Bye. Okay, so you see it's recorded. Let's check it out right now. Call with, it will be indicated the name. I just deleted the name, so let's see how it works. And okay, need to disable the speaker. Let's mute it and check it out. 1 2 3. Okay, works perfectly. 1 2 3 1 2 3. I muted my second phone. 1 2 3 1 2. Okay, let's disable it for now. Let's see what it has. Rename, copy, save audio. Okay, there is no feature that will make the transcript or summary of your call. That is actually can be, I think, adjusted in the future, because you can make the voice notes here and make the summary and transcription here. I don't know whether it works on iPhone. I think maybe it doesn't work on this iPhone because it's iPhone 12. Okay, there is no this option. Let's try to open voice memos here. 1 2 3 1 2 3 voice memo number 1. Maybe here it will work. Okay, here we have the transcript, yeah. But because it's voice memo, in voice memo it works, but in another it doesn't work, in notes, so it's only available on MacBook, and unfortunately it's not. But call recording works well, so as you see it's working perfectly. So let's move on with the second feature. It's updated control center. finally we have the Wi-Fi. We have all these buttons that are available here, like VPN, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, mobile data, airplane mode. Now you can edit as separate controls. As you see here, we have a bit more controls than before. Actually, it's quite many of them available now, although I don't know whether third-party apps are supporting. I guess yes, Instagram is supporting as well. So display brightness, so many settings available now, and you can add a control here, a separate control. For instance, connectivity can be added as a separate line here. So it's only two options available for connectivity, like this or like that. I remove it. I prefer to use only one option. So this also can be deleted for now if you don't need it. And you set, okay, Wi-Fi, like this, Bluetooth, brightness. So up to your preferences, you can select it. Actually, you can replace, for instance, you don't need it. You can put Wi-Fi here, or here you can put Wi-Fi, then Bluetooth, move here. And you can move it whatever you need up to your preferences and what you prefer. And you can select the way you like it. And actually quite convenient that you can customize it. You can customize the music, but unfortunately you cannot customize it like 4 on 6, 2 on 6, only full screen, or how they were designed. That's actually pretty much it for the control center. It works well. Finally, it's more customizable and it's working perfectly. So for battery, for others, it's just some minor fixes, but I still really recommend to update to iOS 18.1. It's working perfectly for my phone 12 Pro Max here. And in case you still have some question or you want some additional tests, leave it in the comments below, put the thumbs up, and see you next time.